we're going to unbox a Korean treat. Kicker with green tea flavor. And it seems to be since 1979, so it's really classic treat. Old school snacks, old school chocolate bar. Let's try it. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside. It has the imprint kicker on the pieces. Let's try to take a bite. The green tea taste. I love this. Can you guys see the color? It's green. And did you guys hear the crunch? It was like super crunchy. I like this. Kicker bar, you guys are awesome. I definitely like this more than, for example, Mars or Snickers. Shame they don't sell this in my country. But whenever I come to Korea, I will buy this from now on. Kicker bar. And it's green tea. It's green tea. It's healthy. You can't go wrong with green tea. Thanks for watching this unboxing video. Unboxing videos tomorrow. See you in the next video. Kicker.